Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and reset Monopoly Go account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For that matter, what you have to do is you simply have to access a particular Monopoly Go app in your mobile phone first of all. So we are over here, right? So if you would like to reset your account completely, then what you have to do is, first thing, if you go to this three horizontal and top right corner and tap on settings, you can simply choose to disconnect. But if you reconnect with your account, it will simply show you all of the data and everything the same, right? Nothing will be changed even if you uninstall it and delete the app. So for that, one thing that you can do is you can go back, cross this out, go to your settings for the Android users and scroll down to the bottom and tap on this option called apps and scroll down till you find your Monopoly Go app over here, and now tap on it and go to this option of storage right over here and simply tap on this clear data. What this clear data will do is, once you have tapped on delete, it will clear all of the data of yours. So when you go back to your Monopoly Go app, it will simply start the process as if you have never used this app before, while it will ask for you to reconnect as well, and you will have all the resetted Monopoly account of yours, and you can again start by playing as if it's as like new. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.